students, let's begin chapter 2. The chapter is relation and function. Very important chapter student, and the extended part of this chapter you will study in 12th standard. Today I am going to discuss very small topic, Cartesian product. Okay. So what is Cartesian products of sets? Given two sets P and Q, the Cartesian product PQ is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. Students, Cartesian products of set is also a set, but the element of the sets are in ordered pair. Ordered pair means the elements are written in this type, in a bracket, and first element P is from the first set P and second element Q is from the second set Q. First, let's one example for this. Let P is a set 1, 2 and Q is another set 3, 4. Okay. Then Cartesian product PQ. It is the set of ordered pair. Now take first element from P. Since we have written here PQ means Cartesian product PQ. Okay. So first element from P it's 1 and from Q first element is 3. Now again 1 with 4. Okay. And now take 2, 3 and here 2, 4. This is the answer. Okay. It is known as Cartesian product of PQ. Okay. And these are 4 elements. Now how many elements of this set? 4 only. Okay. One element this 1, 3. Second elements 1, 4. Third elements 2, 3. And fourth is 2, 4. Now there are some important results related to Cartesian products. First is, if either P or Q is a null set, then Cartesian product PQ is equal to 5. It's also a null set. Second, if ordered pairs are equal, if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and second elements are also equal. Okay. It means students, if we are saying that PQ, P Cartesian product PQ is equal to Cartesian product QP if and only if ordered pair, elements of ordered pair are equal. Okay. And otherwise not equal students. Okay. It's not commutative. Cartesian product is not commutative. If NP means number of elements of set P is N and NQ number of elements of set Q M, then number of elements Cartesian product PQ is equal to LM. Only multiply the number of elements, okay, of both sets. It is Cartesian product of P, P and P 3 times. So answer will be ABC. Here ABC belongs to set P and here ABC is called an ordered triplet. There are 3 elements A, B and C from the same set. That's why they are known as the ordered triplet. Okay. There are 2 elements students, so it is ordered pair. And there are 3 elements, that's why it is known as ordered triplet. Next, if P and Q are non-empty sets and either P or Q is an infinite set, then so is Cartesian product PQ. Now let's start exercise 2.1. The first question of the exercise is, if x by 3 plus 1 and here y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 and here 1 by 3. Okay. Find values of x and y. Very simple, students. For this question, equate the corresponding elements. Okay. So x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. And solve the equation, you will find the value of x is equal to its 5 by 3 minus 1, and from here you will get x is equal to 2. Okay, it's 2 by 3, 3 will cancel. Okay, from here y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, so y is equal to 1. Okay, this is the answer only. Move for the next question. If here A has 3 elements and set B is given 3, 4, 5. Here student MA is given 2. Okay, and set B is given 3, 4, 5. Okay, so number of element in set B is 3 and required is find the number of elements in the Cartesian product AB. So here n AB is equal to 2 to 3. Answer is 6 only. Okay. Next question. Question number 3rd. In this question, if G is given set here 7, 8 and H is given, H is 5, 4 and 2. Find. Question is Cartesian product GH and HG. Both is required. So for GH, write the ordered pair first element from G. So here first element is 7. So write 7 and from here first element is 5. 7, 5. Second element 7, 4. 7, 4. Third element 7, 2. Okay. And now write 8, 5. Next 8, 4 and it's 8, 2. Okay, it is the Cartesian product GH. Now find HG. For HG, first start from H. Okay, so first element take from set H. It's 5. Right here 5, 7. Second 5, 8. And now 4, 7 and here 4, 8. Next 2, 7 and here 2, 8. Okay, this is the answer. Now see students, Cartesian product GH is not equal to Cartesian product HG. Here you see that this 7, 5 ordered pair is not equal to 5, 7. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. State whether each of following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Okay. So first is here, if here P is given Mn and Q is given Nm, then Cartesian product PQ is equal to MN and NM. Very simple. It's false. Okay, since there are in set P 2 elements and P is 2 and Q is also 2, so N means elements of Cartesian product PQ must be 4, but there are only 2 elements are given. Okay, first of all, so it's false. We have to write two statements. Okay, P Cartesian product PQ, it would be M N first from P. Okay, first element from P and then M M, next N N, and next is N M. So correct answer is this, Cartesian product of PQ. Now second part of this question, if A and B are non-empty set, then Cartesian product AB is a non-empty set of ordered pairs x by such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. It's a true statement. Okay, since in some important result I told. Next question number 3rd. If A is given 1, 2, B is given 3, 4 and Cartesian product of A and B intersection phi is phi. Yes, it's also true. It was the first. Okay, second answer is true. And for the third, it is also true. Why? Since students here B intersection phi from the set properties, you know it is phi, and A with B intersection phi, it means Cartesian product of A and phi, it gives phi only. Okay, so it is the correct answer. Question number 5. Here A is given -1 and 1 and we have to find Cartesian product A and A. Okay, so students, first find A Cartesian product. Okay, so you can write one more time A. It is -1 and 1 only. So minus first pair -1 and it's a -1. Here it is -1. Second -1, 1. Third 1, -1. And fourth 1, 1. And now again A and it's A. Okay, so now first element is this -1, -1. It is one element now. Okay, so Cartesian product of this element with -1, we will get -1, -1 and it's -1. Now -1, -1 and 1. This element with 1. Now take second element. This is the second element. So -1, 1, -1. Now -1, 1 and it's 1. Next 1, -1 with -1. And next from same element 1, -1, it's 1. And for last here 1, 1, -1 and it's 1, 1 and 1. Now count the elements. How many elements must be here? A has 2 elements only. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, it means 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Okay students, and this is the answer. Now Next question number 6. If Cartesian product A B is given student, it is AX and AY, and here next is BX and next element BY. Then we have to find set A and set B. Okay, since it is Cartesian product of AB, so A, first element of this set from set A only. Okay, so first element A, B and B. Don't repeat the elements. Okay, write only once. And set B would be second elements from set B, X and Y on. Now move ahead. Let's start question number 7. The question is, let set A, set B, set C and set D are given. Verify that first is Cartesian product of A and B intersection C is equal to Cartesian product AB intersection Cartesian product AC. Okay, and second is Cartesian product AC is subset of Cartesian product BD. So let's start solution. First part, for this A B intersection C. Okay, first I am finding B intersection C. Here B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and C is 5, 6. So intersection is 5. No element is common. Okay, and Cartesian product C, it is A. B intersection C is 5. So answer is null set 5. Okay, and now from Cartesian product AB intersection Cartesian product AC. First AB. Find AB. Start from set A. 1, 1. It's 1, 2. Here 1, 3. 1, 4. Now 2, 1. Here 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 3 and 2, 4. Okay. And now find Cartesian product AC. Here A is 1, 2, C is 5, 6. So it's 1, 5. Here 1, 6. Next 2, 5 and it is 2, 6. Only 4 elements. Since A has 2 elements and C has 2 elements. So number of elements of Cartesian product AC is only 4. Now see intersection of A B intersection Cartesian product AC. There is no element is common in these two sets. So it's 5. Okay. Now C LHS is equal to RHS. Here both are equal. So it's verified. Okay. You can write here A B intersection C is equal to AB intersection AC. Both are 5. So it's verified. For the next second part. First find AC. We already have been find AC. Okay, from here. So write AC is 1, 5, 1, 6. It's 2, 5 and 2, 6. Okay, and now find Cartesian product of BD. Here B 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 5. Write all elements. Here 1, 6. Okay, 1 7, 1 8. Next element 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, here 2 8. Next 3 5, 3 6, here 3 7, it's 3 8. And now next is 4 5, 4 6, 4 7 and 4 8. Okay, and now see that elements of Cartesian product AC, it's 1 5. It is in the set BD also. Okay, 1 6 is also in the Cartesian product of BD. 2 5, 2 5 is also belongs to set BD, and 2 6 it is also from set BD. Okay, so we can say that Cartesian product AC is subset of BD, Cartesian product of BD. Okay, now move for the next question. Next question is, let A is equal to 1 to, you write in notebook student all the questions. Okay, you are not sending the homework, take it seriously, do all the questions. Now, question number 8. Here A is given, it's 1 2. Okay, B is also given, it's 3 4. Then we have to find Cartesian product AB, and how many subsets will Cartesian product AB have. Okay, so first of all, find Cartesian product AB. Very simple, start from set A. So it's 1 3, here 1 4, and now take 2. So it's 2 3 and 2 4. Okay, now and number of elements in Cartesian product of AB, these are 4. Okay, so number of subsets of, how many? Formula is 2 raised to n, so 2 raised to 4, 16 elements. Number of subsets of Cartesian product AB, how many subsets? 16. Now it's the subset. In the previous chapter I have been discussed this topic, so you write on your own. Okay, now move for the next question. Next is, let A and B two sets such that, question number 9. Here students, given n A, it's 3, and n B, it is given 2, and if given that x1, y2 and z1 are in Cartesian product AB. Okay, find A and B. Very simple, set A. First elements, okay, are from set A. So set A is x, y, z, and second elements from set B, and it is given that number of element of set A is 3 and x, y, z, these are also 3 elements. So and B will be 1 and 2. In the set, don't repeat the elements, write only once, and it is given given that set B has two elements. So the elements are 1 and 2 only. Now, last question of this exercise. Question is, the Cartesian product AA has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Two elements are given. Okay, how many elements would be here? Students, Cartesian product AA has 9 elements. 2 are given, so remaining are 7. Okay. Here, number of elements, these are given 9. Okay, and we have to find A, set A. Now, number of elements set A would be 3 only. Here, -1, 0, it belongs to set Cartesian product of AA, and 0, 1. 0, 1 also belongs to Cartesian product A. So student, it means element -1 belongs to A, 0 also belongs to A, and 1 is also belongs to A. So set A is -1, 0 and 1. Okay, and number of elements in set A, 3. And now find the remaining elements of A, Cartesian product of A. So start from this. You can write one more time. It would be easy. So -1 with -1, -1, 0, -1 with 1. You can write first all elements, and in the answer write the only 7 elements since 2 are given. Okay, and next is 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And next would be 1, -1, here 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. Okay, 2 are given, -1, 0, this one, and 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so don't write these 2 elements in the answer, write the remaining all elements. Now exercise ends here.